The Items tab shows you a list of your saved items in your job. The specifier automatically organizes similar items into schedules. You can click on the pencil icon to edit an item, or click on the red X icon to permanently delete the item. If your quote qualifies for a quick ship order, you can set it up in the Items tab. Click an item in the schedule that you want to apply quick ship to. This will apply to all items in that schedule. Do this for each schedule that you want updated. Click on the Schedule tab at the bottom of the page and choose the shipping time that you want. The specifier will automatically calculate the additional charges. If any of the items in the schedule require special pricing, which is signified by a green highlight over the item, you must contact the factory to set up quick shipping. You will be provided an amount to enter into the net add field. Once you enter a value into the net add field, it is applied to all items. You do not have to enter it multiple times. If you need to enter a commission value, you can do so in the Commissions box. It will apply to all items, much like the net add. Commissions will not appear on the customer invoice.